Hello Boba Fett fans. I saw this at a store locally and decided to pick it up. I never owned a Funko Pop. I just know that, like any collectible, some people go crazy for them. This is number 462, so they've been around for a while, I guess. I just collect Boba Fett figures, so I thought I'd get this thing. If this Mandalorian had a helmet on, I would have considered getting that as well. But anyways, let's take a look here. I don't expect much from this. I think it's just a bobblehead doll. I remember as a kid I'd go to Fenway Park and I got a bobblehead of a Fenway Park player, but it was ceramic. You know, back then bobbleheads were ceramic, but I think this is all plastic now. The question is, can you still get a ceramic bobblehead? I don't know. So, it is bobbling, that's for sure. And it is all plastic, which doesn't really bother me. You know, at least if you drop this, it's not going to break. Yeah, so pretty recent release. Made in Vietnam, did not know that. Unfortunately, you know, this targeting scope is not really great. I'm pretty sure I could put this in hot water and then let it cool down again and it'll go straight again. Let's see. I'm curious how tall this guy is. Around 13 centimeters or a little over 5 inches. As a figure itself, though, 12 centimeters and like 4.5 inches, if that matters to you guys. What I'm really liking on this guy is all the paint apps. You know, this guy looks really weathered. And, you know, this is a picture from The Mandalorian. This is not your traditional Boba Fett from the original trilogy of movies, because he's wearing this brown tunic or whatever you would call it, a skirt. I don't know, a robe underneath his armor, I guess. But yeah, looking at this, his boots are well painted. The robe is just plain black. He's got a bandolier of bullets here, pretty well painted. And now we get into the weathering. You know, some weathering on the armor itself, the gauntlets, and then his helmet obviously is weathered quite a bit. He's got the bullet dent there, whatever that is. A little red in that arrow. Yeah, okay. And then the red is painted around here pretty well. Don't know what that is. If any you diehard fans know, what is that thing? I don't know. And then what do these marks indicate? Number of kills or something? Number of bounties? I don't know the answer. I like Boba Fett's appearance, but I don't actually know much about the character. Okay, well, that's it. Not much, nothing else articulates. It's just a figurine, and it's, well, for the price, I think it's pretty good. I think it's not smart to have things in your car, because if you get into an accident, those things move very fast. But this would be kind of cool to sit on a dashboard and drive you crazy maybe sometimes, but I will not do that. This is just going to go in a display cabinet. So here it is, just to compare to a couple of the figures. This is one of those original Kenner action figures that kind of I had as a kid. And then this is a 6-inch or 1/12 scale figure by SH Figuarts. Bandai makes this. This is probably the best Boba Fett figure I have, but it's a little too clean in its appearance. You know, it's not weathered like, you know, even that. The best one is actually made by a company called Mafex, but they're so expensive on eBay, I'll probably never buy one. I'm really hoping Mafex re-releases it someday. Alright, well anyways, just thought I'd throw that in for comparison. And for today, yeah, I think this guy's pretty cool. Funny stuff. Alright guys, well, until the next Boba Fett figure comes around, I'll be seeing you in the comments.